Good afternoon everybody, Colin here from Techout. Today I'm just going to be taking a look at the OtterBox for the Galaxy S9. I had an S9 Plus before, I had an OtterBox for it. I like OtterBox cases, so we'll check it out. This is the box that it comes in if you order it from Amazon with the frustration-free packaging. So it doesn't come in the OtterBox, plastic thing. I don't find those hard to open. Anyway, but I guess some people do. I actually think those are easier to open because this has a sticker on it that is a pain to get off. Other one you just slide right out. Oh, well, never mind, you can slide this right out without cutting the sticker, I guess. Maybe. There we go. So this is Amazon frustration-free packaging. Basically they put it in a bag and put all the instructions in the bottom of the box. So that's how they come. You have your installation instructions right here. Screenless edition, the iPhone 10, Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and Note 8 are all screenless cases, so they don't have screen protectors on them, which I actually find kind of nice, because when I did have OtterBoxes for older devices that had the plastic screen on them, I didn't like the air gap between the screen and the screen protector. It was really annoying, so I would just punch the screen protector out anyway, which on some OtterBoxes for some devices made them rattle because the space between the case and the phone was still there, and there was nothing in between, so it made the phone move around. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on real quick. Why not? I know somebody probably will leave a comment saying, hey, you didn't put the case on the phone. So I'm just going to unbox it. Might as well throw it in there real quick. No need to clean it off because there's no screen protector, so I can do that later. Looks like, let's see, that didn't go on first like it should have. Really do like OtterBox cases. They're kind of bulky, but definitely protect your device against drops. And they last, if you don't take them on and off, they'll last, I've seen people who've had their phones for 2 or 3 years and they've had the same OtterBox case on there. So you gotta put looks like you gotta snap the bottom piece on first. I know this shouldn't be difficult, but apparently for some reason today it is. Sorry if I'm not keeping the camera in the frame. Okay. Why? They must have changed it to where, oh Lord. The struggle is real. There we go. So you got to put the this piece right here has to go over top of it, so you have to make sure that sits down on there first, or you can't get it in. That was the struggle we were having. Don't know why that was so difficult today, but whatever. And then just push the rubber back on. Make sure you snap down all the covers and edges. Yes, this should still wireless charge. I know with my iPhone I had it in an OtterBox and it wireless charges just fine. So you shouldn't have any issues. If you have a pretty good, decent wireless charger, then you should definitely be able to wireless charge still. So there's the OtterBox in the S9, or the OtterBox on the S9. This is Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.